Hi everybody, it's Julie, and I thought I'd show you what I have so far for my kit. I have not picked out my stencil yet, and I have a couple other things. My digitals, I haven't picked that out yet. I'm thinking possibly sunflower postcard kit, and I do have some in here that I can show you that I am going to use probably. Okay, so I have some wrapping paper, totally old school flat wrapping paper, but it has these cute images of friends doing all kinds of things. And so I'm going with a friend theme. So I thought that would be real fun, possibly. Okay, I have this photo album that it's vintage, and so I'm going to be using that. So you're going to see some of the things that I used in the January Just Junk Journal Challenge come back. The shirt, I'm going to be using the shirt. I don't know where it went. You guys, it's a disaster in here. Here I have the sleeve. The sleeve of this shirt, so I'm going to be using that. And okay, so I have this calendar page. I have these, you're going to see these calendars in here, but I went through and I've already pulled out the pages that had friend words. But look, I think these are going to be perfect tags, perfect pages with places to write on the back. So I think it's going to be a lot of fun. My mom had several of these, and they're all used. Okay, I'm gonna not use this. I was gonna do a different project, and I might do that different project while we're in the middle of the month. But I couldn't do some of the required elements for the project I want to do. So there was this. Folded wrapping paper. This was in Tom's mom stuff, and nobody wanted it, so I took it. Okay, this note paper that has some tape on it. I don't know where it came from, but it's Mary Englebright. This is the cover from a notepad that I saved. This is cover from some paper that was at Target, I believe. Oh, Studio 18. That's Joanne's, isn't it? I think. Yeah, so anyway, I saved the cover. Tom took apart my wallpaper book, so I have this wallpaper. You're going to see I kind of am going with more the pastel colors than the dark colors. So this is another calendar. It's Oh Happy Days, and my mom had taken it apart and fussy cut the pages out of it. So, and it's all about friendship. So I'm gonna use those, except this one, because this looks just like my yayas. That's Kathy, that's Arlene, and that's me. And so I'm gonna put this in my office somewhere, and there, it's going right there. I thought it was so cool. And so, yeah, so I think these are going to be awesome. And this has a possibility of being a cover. The pages are long and were long and skinny. So there's that page too. So lots of calendars I'll be using. I have these that I had saved from the back of some stamps. And I think the color is perfect. And they actually are pages. So, yeah, there you go. Okay, over here I have the paint chips from, I'm trying to pick out colors for my bedroom. Can you believe all the colors of gray? And then I have some yellow. Jonquil and Butter Up. Flutter by Jonquil. Okay, so those, I have privacy envelopes. This is in here to remind me that I need to go through the cards, but I could probably use this one also. But it's to remind me to go through the card fronts that I have. I have this daffodil packaging. I have this adorable packaging. So this was inside of a binder thing. Might have been a photo album or something. Or it might have been on the outside. I don't remember. But I might use this for my cover. So it is definitely junk. So there you go. Okay, so this is my stamp set. And I actually have this stamp set already cut in pieces. And if I can find my pieces, that's what I'm going to use. And then I don't have to use this brand new one, and maybe I can use that for a giveaway. So what do you think about that? So hopefully I can find the other pieces. So remember, you saw this is the envelope for Mother's Day, the packaging for Shelly's photographs, the other envelope for Mother's Day, the privacy envelopes, some other packaging stuff, another calendar. I like the gingham from that one. Some more privacy envelopes, the pillow thing, some more packaging. I like that packaging. I think that might be kind of fun. More calendar for possible pages. Then I have this linen, and it has these strawberries on it. I really like it because it has those flowers, but I don't know if I want to cut that up. Okay, then I have, this is a shirt. It's what's left of a shirt or a dress that I had, and so that's a possibility. Or possibly, if I decide to go red, I might use the red doily that we've been using. I did go ahead and put the button envelope and the buttons in here, and then this was from out of a magazine. So, and then I have a couple other things that may end up in mini challenge and the challenge stuff. So that's that. We'll keep going. We got more. I just don't have any more places to put stuff. Okay. Okay, so I have a file folder that Puppy got. So, and I do have a new one of it also, but they are water damaged. Okay, they're water damaged, so it would be trash. I have a map and the legend pages from the map. I have these words to possibly use for the mini challenge and the challenge. I have a couple of quilt pages. I have a couple pages out of the journal that I used in the garden journal a couple years ago. Okay, but they match. They would just work so well. So I have those. I have some blue gingham tissue paper. I have photo album pieces. So this, you know, you fill up the photo album. If you fill up all the pages, the photo album goes like this. So I have the ones that would be the throwaway. So this is from the Fruits and Veggie digital kit, and it's got these red flowers. So this is a possibility for a digital kit. I did go ahead and I don't want to print something. I want to use something I already have. So yeah, so there's that. There's that. This is my gift bag. Remember, I think I want to go with the peachy, the light colors, instead of going with the red. I know that's the, you know, usually the main color for Mary Englebright, but I'm thinking that this might be my gift bag. Okay, I have this one too, but I think I want to save this for another Another thing that I have coming up. Okay, so there's gift bag. I have these two gift wraps. I think that they are really pretty, and I did buy them to go together, and I wrapped the presents that went together, and so I still have that. I think they're going to be great. And then I haven't chosen my for sure, but I have the Simple Stories Faith. Okay. And so this is the Simple Stories Faith. And it does have, it has cut-aparts in it. And some of them are plain. Most of them have words. I love this page. Love this. And I'm thinking, you know, going with the pastel of the Mary Engelbreit, that that this might work. And I do have a faith journal coming up, so you know, heck, might as well open up that one. But then again, I have this awesome paper pad that was in my mom's stuff from Crate Paper, and I think that it might be kind of cool. The red dots. And if because I'm thinking about using the ABC kit with this, possibly. I like that paper. I like that paper a lot. Okay, so I'm still, like I said, I'm still deciding. I really like this, and that could bring in the red with the pastel. So I don't know. What do you think? I love those pages. Love that. So that is that. Okay. So it's, ooh, I love that. Like a lot. That might just tell me this is going to be the one, you guys, because I can do so much with that. Of course, I do have my, which I didn't bring out yet, but because it's over here in the stuff for somewhere. Okay, so you know that the game pieces are going to come out. I'll pull out one. Okay. So you know that the bingo game pieces are going to come out too. So, yeah, I'm kind of liking this one. Now let me see that flowered paper. This one. Okay, you know what we do? We'll grab some of those cute girls. Yeah, I like it. Okay, it's gonna be this one. It's this one. Just look at how cute. Yeah. Okay, now the other thing that we needed to see was if these were gonna fit. On if I use this book. I'm gonna have to cut, I'll have to cut stuff off. They're all just a little bit taller. Yeah, well, we're gonna have to go with maybe regular size, you know, so that pages would be like that. Okay, so there you go. I am committed now. I want you to know that I made something so amazing today that I almost totally changed what I was gonna do. I cannot wait to show you, and so watch for it. I told you I was gonna dye paper. I dyed paper, and it's beyond amazing. So I want to see how, yeah, I think this is going to be great. Okay. So I do still have the other two calendars that I had gotten these pages out of as well. So I have these calendars, but I think this is going to be awesome. Yeah. Okay. So there we go. I'm going to be making a friendship journal, and I'm going to be, this is my paper pad. This is my garment. This will be my garment. And I still haven't decided on my linen or my stencil. I showed you my stamp set. Okay, stamp set. Lots of junk and calendars. I've got calendars all over the place that I'll be using. I have packaging I'm using. My packing is going to be probably like the wrapping paper, and I do have some Dollar Tree packing paper, so that may show up. So, oh, and I have this wrapping paper. It's really cute. Yeah, I think that this is going to be really, really awesome. I don't know if I'll use that one or not, but I do like that. And I like the dots, these, like the red dots. So, yeah, I think this gives me a lot of choices. And I may make a lot of the things that I'm making, or 3 or 4. I might go ahead and make all of the stuff to make another couple of journals. We'll have to see. So find something to celebrate every day. The mini challenge and the challenge, I will be doing it again with this. I'll probably just show you what I made. We'll see. Okay, so thank you all for being here. I hope you're having a great weekend. We are having company, and so I am so excited. Yay! And don't forget that the digitals are all on sale in the Dear Julie Etsy shop for 50% off. There's 80 digital kits now. And so 8 is my favorite number, 8 and 80. And so they are on sale until June 8th. So if you were wanting digitals, right now might be a good time to go check them out. Have an amazing day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.